Hello everyone. So today we'll be continuing from where we left in our last video. तो last video में मैंने third question तक complete कर लिया था. उसके बाद इस exercise के कुछ questions बच रहे थे. To complete this whole exercise मैं सारी questions के सारे parts नहीं करूँगा cover. I'll be just covering one or two parts of each question. फिर if you are having any particular doubt in any particular part, you can comment down below. तो fourth question के अंदर basically find the equivalent fraction of 3/5 having denominator 20. तो इसको हम कैसे कर सकते हैं? तो for that I'll be just writing it down here. 3/5 having a denominator as 20. So basically by what number should we divide multiply this 5 so that we can get 20? We should multiply it by 4. तो अगर हम 4 से मल्टीप्लाई डिनोमिनेटर कर रहे हैं तो we'll also have to multiply it in the numerator. So अगर हम 4 से न्यूमरेटर में मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं तो हमारे पास आ जाएगा 12. So basically this 12/20 is the equivalent fraction of 3/5 in which we are having the denominator as 20. जिसके अंदर हमारे पास डिनोमिनेटर में 20 मिल रहा है. अगर हम ये इसका बी पार्ट देखें that if it should have a numerator 9 तो 3/5 into like we need numerator as 9, so what should we multiply by 3 so that we can get 9? हमें इसको 3 से multiply करना है in the numerator, so we'll also have to multiply it with 3 and denominator as well. तो अगर हम denominator में से multiply करते तो we are getting 15. So basically 9/15 is the equivalent fraction of 3/5 which has got numerator as 9. तो ये वाले questions हमको इस तरह से solve करना है. Now moving on to the fifth question, find the equivalent fraction of 36/48 with numerator 9. तो इस केस में हम देख सकते हैं कि जो हमारे पास न्यूमरेटर 9 है दिस इज स्मॉलर एज कंपेयर टू द न्यूमरेटर गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन की 36. तो ऐसा जब भी केस आता है मैंने पहले भी एक्सप्लेन किया था, इन दिस केस यू ऑलवेज हैव टू डिवाइड द नंबर विद सम नंबर सो दैट यू कैन गेट न्यूमरेटर एज 9. सो जैसे ये आपका है 36/48. So to get the numerator as 9, with what number should we divide 36 so that we can get 9? तो अगर हम 9 की टेबल देखें कि 36 कब आता है तो we know that 9 4s are 36. So we know that अगर हम 36 को 4 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो we'll get 9 as the quotient basically, है ना. तो here we'll have to divide 36 by 4. तो if we are dividing 4 in the numerator हमको denominator भी 4 से डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा. And we know that if we divide 48 by 4, what we'll get is 4 2s are 4 1s are 4 and 4 uh, 2s are 8. So basically what we are having here is 12. तो हमारे पास डिनोमिनेटर में 12 आ जाएगा. तो 9/12 is the equivalent fraction of 36/48 in which the numerator is 9. इस क्वेश्चन को हम इस तरह से सॉल्व करेंगे. Now what about the sixth question? Check whether the given fractions are equivalent or not. तो जैसे ये आपका A क्वेश्चन है 5/9 and 30/54. 5/9 and 30/54. So when we are trying to see कि दो fractions equivalent है कि नहीं, there are two ways to do it. Either you could do cross multiplication, और cross multiplication करके आप देख सकते हो अगर the product which is coming is if it is both equal in LHS as well as RHS, so basically these two fractions are equivalent. But if this is not the case, then we can say that these are not equivalent. और एक दूसरा तरीका क्या है, you could also find the simplest form of it. तो I'll be solving with simplest form right now. अगर आपको डाउट है इस पर्टिकुलर मेथड में तो you can go in the previous videos, वहाँ पे मैंने अच्छी तरह एक्सप्लेन कर रखा है. तो अगर मैं इसका सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म निकालूं तो we can divide it by 3. 3 10s are 30 and 3 1s are 3. 24 is 3 8s are 24 and 2 5s are 10 and 2 9s are 18. So basically the simplest form of this 30/54 is also coming 5/9. So we can say that 5/9 is equals to 5/9. That's why these two fractions are equivalent. ऐसे हम ये A वाला part solve कर देंगे इसका. So the remaining questions 7 8 9 I'll be covering in the next video. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.